So this is our flow from today. Okay, so first client script type, client scripts, client script topic and types. Okay, and then G form. Okay, and then glide user. Okay, and then server side scripting. Okay, so business rules and glide record. Okay, so this is our next flow of action, next set of activities we just discuss. We are just going to discuss it, and I think it will be next 8 classes. Okay, and then we will take all the remaining classes also. Okay, like all remaining concepts of business rules, like server side scripting classes. Okay, good. So see here, client script. We seen what is client script, what is server side script.
Any change you want to make on the UI with script, it is client script.
Any change that
Yes, if you're
you,
going to perform any changes on form level or browser level, that is called as
yeah.
client script.
So on the browser level, the front end level, the client side, if we want to execute something, then we write some script in the back end. Okay. So see here, I want to do, let's take one simple field here. Okay. So I have a field here like expected time. Okay. I want to make this one mandatory. Okay. How can I do it?
You can directly do it right now. Only go to dictionary entry and make it mandatory.
So right,
One,
go to dictionary and then make the field mandatory flag. Very simple. Okay. Next question. This one I want to make it mandatory only if it is active true. If it is active false, I should not, I don't, it should be non-mandatory. How can I do it?
UI policy you can apply.
UA policy, right? So now similarly like this, okay, we can, so let's say you want to show some message here or auto population here. Okay. Mandatory read only visible. UA policy is the best thing to start with. Okay, UA policy will save us in most of the cases because it is mandatory read only visible, and uh, that too with what, a condition, simple condition. Okay,
Yeah.
but what if we want to do something more than that? So let's say we've seen one example yesterday. Okay, when I change this person, okay, so automatically I need to get his email ID and phone number. Okay, so Abraham Lincoln, I change it. So Abraham Lincoln phone number, email ID, and maybe if we have manager, okay, the manager also.
Okay.
All three should auto populate. Can we do using UA policy?
No, you can't.
No. Okay. The date examples, we have two dates, start date and end date. Compare them. If it is one less, one bigger, then give some message, stop the page submission. Can we able to do using UA policy?
No.
No. Okay. So UA policy is for some extent, okay, but you can't do everything using UA policy. Okay. Sir, in UA policy we have a script, sir. We can write script, no? Very best question. Okay. Generally, UA policy is not meant for writing script. It have an option, but we don't suggest to write script in the UA policy. Even though we have an option, okay, scripting in UA policy we don't recommend it. Okay, we see that when we see best practices, we will discuss it. Okay, but now I don't drag that to a particular topic. So I will ask one more question. Okay, one more scenario. I think this scenario we did it right. Uh, did we do some scenario in UA policy where if category, no, if state equal to something, okay, you want to show something else, that did we do it?
Yes, we did.
Yes, sir.
What is the what is that requirement? It is, the requirement is something like this, right? So insurance, okay, I will show you it in insurance form. I think we have it in insurance form. Okay,
No problem. Problem.
yeah, I asked you to do in problem, but that is something like this, correct? If I say new, then I want to see this one and then make it mandatory. Okay,
Correct.
and if I say in progress, I should not see this one. I should see only in progress region, make it mandatory. Okay, if it is cancelled, I want to see only cancelled region, make it mandatory. Correct? This requirement we seen it, we did it right using UA policy, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, people who joined for scripting, you also understood. Okay, we practiced one scenario. Okay, the scenario is to, like, I have a ticket source here. The ticket source have five options here. Everyone carefully listen it. Okay, please. Now I will come here. I say new. Okay, new reason. in progress region, on hold region, closure region, cancel region. Okay, we have 5 separate respective fields here, right? So when I say new here, I want to see only new, and that too should be mandatory. So UI policy, you create a UI policy. If ticket source equal
Correct.
to new, make this UI policy action. Okay, visible equal to true, mandatory equal to true.
Correct.
Like this, we created 5 UI policies. Okay, so to accomplish this particular requirement, 5 UI policies are needed. Correct, everyone?
Correct.
Everyone, yes?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Thank you, ma. Okay, now, sir, do we need really 5 things to configure in the system? Okay, in case if I go to,
Actually, no.
if,
You
yes, sir,
one UI policy with different UI action.
no. If it is
No.
UA policy, compulsory, you need to create 5. There is no other option at all. Because you
Okay.
can't define the conditions, right? In one condition, one UA policy,
Yeah.
you can't define.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. So,
You're right.
do we really need to do 5 configurations to the system? No. Okay. In this example, you can write one client script. That is enough. Okay. One client script covering all the scenarios. Okay. After G-form completion, we do the same scenario. Okay. This is one of the best scenario. I'll ask to do. That time you will get it. What you need to write it. Okay. So what I'm trying to say here is client scripts is the best weapon. Okay. UA policy will support you till some extent. You can't do miracles with UA policy. Okay. It has so much of limitation. But if you want to do more than that, then only option you have it is client side scripting. Client script. Okay. So see here, I will do one small thing here. Okay. What I want to do is, uh, let's do here. I have an employee, correct? Okay. Here I have an employee, correct? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So in the user table, there is a flag called VIP. What is that?
Very important person.
Very important person. Okay. So in an organization level, okay, maybe if we have 50,000 people, okay, maybe 10 to 12 people, 10 to 12, 20 people will be they will be flagged as VIPs. Maybe CEO, CIO, okay, global finance manager. So they are very crucial people. They will be marked as VIP users. Okay. So if any ticket created for them, let's say one ticket is created for you or me, okay, and another ticket created for a VIP user. The maximum priority we give for VIP user ticket. That's why we flagged them as VIP. Okay. So the VIP flagging is very important for us. If anyone has flagged as VIP, then if any ticket came for their account, then it should be on high priority. You got my point, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes,
what
sir.
is VIP? Very important person. Okay. Right. So what I want to do here is, okay, in our in our page, in our harassment page, okay, so harassment itself is a high visibility, high priority, okay, but let's say like this, okay, if an employee is a VIP, okay, I need to give them highest priority of it. Okay, so what is my requirement is, don't concentrate on the script today. Okay, still I am saying it. This is not to describe the script, this is only to describe the concept. Okay, client script types. Okay, so if the employee is VIP, okay, show a error message. Okay,
Error message or banner message?
error message. Okay, banner error both look same. Okay, error message, uh, indicating. Okay, so indicating something like, okay, employee employee is VIP user. Okay, handle the ticket ASAP. Okay, something like this now. Okay, so message, right? Everyone understood the requirement? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if it is the requirement, then what I will do is very carefully observe the steps here. Okay. Uh, Go here. This is not harassment. No, this is not required for us. Okay, leave it. So duplicate. Okay, keep the form alive. So right click, configure client scripts. Go here. Okay, so create a new client script. New, right? Give some name. Name is optional. Anything you can, not optional, but you can give anything. Okay, VIP indication. Okay, VIP user indication, I can say, right? Table must. Okay, you already have the table, so you just keep it. Don't change the table. Change is table. We should not change it. Okay, keep the change table. UI type doesn't matter. You can always keep all. Okay, we discuss later what is all, what is desktop and all. Type. Okay, this is what our main topic today. Type. For this example, first to show a simple client script, I will just select onChange client script. Okay, onChange client script, employee field, right? Employee. So I'll just select employee. I will explain it more. Why I took this one. Okay, what is happening? Everything I will explain it. Okay. So here when I type onChange, I automatically got some script. It is predefined script. I didn't write anything here. Okay. Just do not touch anything. They asked here to write. They asked you to write the script here in this section. Okay. You write the script here. Okay. So I will write two lines of script here. EMP equal to, don't concentrate on the script. Okay. So concentrate only on the results. Okay. The script part we will be seeing tomorrow onwards.
Tomorrow or Monday?
Monday. Tomorrow is Saturday, right?
Tomorrow Saturday.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow. Right? So I'll take this one, okay, and right. So if
So why are you taking G form and not G user?
we will discuss it tomorrow, sir. No questions on the script, please. Okay,
Okay.
because it will deviate our main topic. So just focus on the results part. Okay. So I created a client script. I selected something here. I don't know what I selected. Okay. I written simple 2 lines of script, 3 lines of script. Okay. And then this is what my message. Now see the results. Okay. See the results. Right. You go here. You created something. Na? So refresh this form to get the changes replicated. Now change something here. Able tutor. Able tutor is VIP user. Okay. In my instance, able tutor is a VIP user. Okay. In your instance, go to user table. What is it? Where is able tutor? Okay, very good. We did something very nice. Give me a second, ma. Reference qualifier concept. On the day we did so many things, but we didn't clear it up. Correct? Yeah. Okay, go back. Okay. So now type select a person. In my instance, able tutor is the VIP user. Okay. In your instance, you just go to user table. How to go to user table?
Sys_user
Okay.
list.
And then get a flag called VIP here. So here VIP. Okay. True. Right? So in my instance, these two are VIP users. Okay. So I will take this person. Okay. Gerard, someone. Okay. So go here. I select that person as employee. Okay. So see here, immediately when I select it, automatically I got some message here. Did you see the message is coming up?
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
yes, ma'am. What is the question, ma'am? Everyone seen this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So did I create a client script for a simple example? Yes. What script I written, you don't concentrate on that level, okay? But I created on client script. The client script is working like this. That part you concentrate. Clear, everyone? Yes.
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 So now, okay, the most important part is when it run. Okay, when this particular script ran, it ran when a field is getting changed. Correct? Which field?
On change.
Yeah, which field? This field, right? So now I want to do the same thing, maybe in a different manner. Okay, not okay. I want not when the change is happened. I want when it is submitting it. So when I'm saving, when I'm submitting it, na, that time I want to show a message, not when the field is getting changed. Okay, so I will just change the same script. Okay, so in a simple manner, I will just take the same script, no change in the same script. Okay, cut and remove, and earlier I took on change. Now I will go for on submit. Okay, then same script I will copy paste here. So now focus it. Earlier when it ran, now when it will run. Okay, the timings you concentrate. Okay, so see here, you are here. Okay, so now you changed this one to that guy. Okay, who is that guy? Barrett, Jared, right? Now when I changed the field value, is that work? Is that client script running, ma? Is the client script running here?
No.
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 Okay,
No.
but I am submitting the ticket, saving, submitting, updating. So I am doing it. When I'm submitting it, that time. Okay, very good. Give me a second, ma. This is another issue, not issue, but behavior. Okay, now I'm submitting it. Okay, when I'm submitting it, saving it, updating it, that time the script is running. Did you see the script ran? It ran and then gone, right? The message you've seen it, right? Everyone concentrate on their message. Okay,
Yes.
so see here, I am
Yes.
updating one more time. Okay, I am updating it, saving, updating, submitting, all are same. Okay, so now flash it. See here, the message came here.
Yes.
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 So now this is second way. Good. Okay, the same script I'll keep it in some other place. Okay, cut the script, clear this. Okay, now select the other one. I don't know what I'm selecting also, but I'm just observing it. That's it. Okay, I selected something else called onLoad. Pay focus where it will. Okay, right. Now you go to the form. Okay, refresh the form. See, you got it. When you are launching the record, that time only it came. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes. See here, everyone.
Yes.
This one maybe we didn't observe it properly. Okay, concentrate here. Okay, when the script is running, you focus here. So which is the record? This is the record. Correct. With have this guy as employee. So when I'm opening it, that time the script is running. When I'm opening the form, when I'm loading the form, that time it is running. Correct? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So okay. So here,
I mean, when you're opening the record itself, it is
yes,
showing
ma.
error, right?
Yes, yes. When I'm opening the form, when I'm opening the record, the script ran. Okay. So the when you can run a client script. Okay. It have three timings, three places. Okay. One is a changing the field, change the field value. Okay, second one is when you are submitting it. Okay, submitting it, save it or update it. Okay, submit the record. Okay, here save, update, submit if it is a new record. Okay, third one when you are launching the form, when you are opening the form. Okay, opening the form, launching the form, loading the form. Correct. These are the three timings we've seen it now. Correct, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. Thank you, ma'am. So apart from these three timings, we don't have any other timings to write a script, to run a script. Okay. In our front end development, okay, web page developments, you see some kind of classy behaviors. Like if I keep the cursor here, I want to flash something. Okay, I want to give a message. No, those kind of things here it won't be supported. If I just put a cursor here, I want to open a box and give a message and all those kind of activities, ServiceNow by default it will not support it. Okay, so apart from these three timings, can we able to run a script in any other timings here? Just think, you are in a form. Okay, you are loading the form, you are changing the values, you are submitting the form. Apart from these three, any other timings you have it? Any other timings we can imagine, ma? Where we can run some script, write some script to execute?
Thinking.
Yeah, please. Okay, so unfortunately the answer is no. Okay, so when you are in a form, you have only, yeah, when you are in a form, you have only three timings you can run a script. Okay, changing the field values, submitting the form, okay, submitting the record, and last one is when you are loading the form, when you are launching the form. Okay, so yeah, three timings. Change the field value, any field value. Okay, submit the record, save the record, update the record, and launching the form for first time. Okay, when you are writing a script, when you are changing a field value, okay, on change client script, you want to execute some script. Okay, that script needs to be run when you are changing a field value, right? Which field value? Any field value. That is your requirement. Okay, in this example, this is my field. Maybe in the other example, what we see in insurance request, right? I asked to implement this UA policy, right?
5 times, yeah.
Yeah, so 5 times 1. So if I ask you to write a client script in this example, then on change client script of which field we write?
State.
State. When the state equal to changed, okay, take the state value, whatever the value you are getting changed. If it is new, show it mandatory. Okay, show it, make it mandatory. If it is something else, remaining thing. So like that, you do 5 times 5 scriptings you do. Okay, I think not this table, no. Incident, not insurance, insurance table. Okay,
Insurance, yeah.
so whatever it is, see here, on change client script means, okay, you are instructing system that run the script, whatever the script you write here, when it is when this field is getting changed. This is on change client script. Correct, everyone? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
on change. Okay, very good. Okay, now on submit, client script. When you are submitting the form, when you are saving the form, when you are updating the form, that time if you want to run some script, that is on submit client script. Everyone clear? Yes? Yes, everyone, is that
Yeah.
second part is clear, ma?
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
but Sridhar,
Yes.
that submit example, what you have shown, I think that is not a good example. The reason
This is
is,
not the good example. Yes, correct. So
okay.
see here, I will tell you the same thing. Okay. So see, okay, let me finish it. Okay. So last one, when you are loading the form, when you are launching the form, okay. So that time you want to run script. Okay, what type you can say? On
Load.
load. Okay. So these are the three first important types. There are 4 types. Okay. And here we have 3 types. Okay. So form level, these are the 3 types you have it. Form. When I say form, form. Okay. Coming back to the question. Okay. So here, observe it. Now we know the types. Okay. We know the client script types. Okay. Very carefully see the behavior and tell me, okay, what type it is selected. Okay. So see here, write all the mandatory fields, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Go here. Okay. And then produce the issue. Right. Now see the behavior and tell me how many client scripts are there, what type they took it, what type they used to create it. Okay. Now this behavior which you are saying here, what type it is?
On change.
Unchanged.
On
Unchanged.
change. Okay, very good. Okay. Now I'm submitting it. I don't care I'm not caring about the error. I just forgot, ignored it. Okay, now I'm submitting it. So now, what type it took it?
onSubmit. onSubmit.
So there are two client scripts, okay, are available in this particular table level. One is running on field level onChange client script. One is working on submission level onSubmit client script. Correct? Is that more clear now? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Good.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
so the difference, what I see when you did that transcript for on submit, your error was not holding it on the screen, but this error I can see it was holded on the screen,
Sorry.
which means
I didn't get it, sir. So, okay.
okay, hold on. So you can see this plan end date must
Huh.
be, this is on the screen still now, but when you
That's
did,
that script which
it was not holding.
we didn't develop one extra line here. Okay, we need to do something here. Okay,
Okay,
return false. This is missing. We didn't go this much deeper. The message is message. That's it.
got it. Okay.
Correct. Okay. Till this point, everyone clear, ma? The types of client scripts is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now,
Sir, I have a doubt.
yes, ma, please.
So when you were running this onChange script and then you went to the employee form wherein you made some modification or changes under reference qualifier.
That is, I did something wrong, ma, here. Okay. When we were covering reference qualifier topic, I applied multiple settings here, filters here. Okay. So that time, why I am not okay? Because of that reference qualifier, I didn't see these guys, Habil tutor or other people. I used to see only 10 people. Okay, for you it won't be there, ma. Okay, I should supposed to see
Okay.
many people, many users. I should supposed to see here. Okay, these many users I supposed to see, but I used to see only 10 because of my reference qualifier. So I removed it.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
for you you can
Got it.
ignore it, ma. That doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay. So in my instance, you see so many wonders. Okay, because we have been doing so many things then and there. When other concepts will come, we will face them. So many pop-ups you see, so many messages you see. In your instance, you don't see. Okay,
Yeah.
good. So the three types of client scripts is clear: on submit, on change, on load. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
yes,
Yes.
Sir.
yes.
Yes,
Very good.
sir.
Okay. Now last two types, sir. You only covered three types, but I seen okay in the blinking I seen one more type on cell edit. Okay. When I say on cell edit, and I can see same kind of field here. What is this, sir? When it will work, sir? Okay. So when I was discussing about client-side scripting, I said client-side scripting will work on client means front end. Okay. So front end for us is a form, even the list also a front end for us. Correct? From list view also you can do some changes. So see here, I can do some changes here. I want to make this one to false. I want to make this one to true. I can just double click it. I change this one and then submit it. This is also form. This is also front end for me. Yes, client for me.
Yes.
Yes. So if you want to do some scripting here, not all, but little. Okay, I will frame one scenario now. Okay. If when I change this active true or active false, if whenever I change this value, I want to give a simple message here. Simple message. Okay. Maybe you changed the value. Okay, active value you changed it. That's it. That is a value we need to give it. So now see here, I'll go here. Okay, same. This one you can comment it in the scripting. If you say this button comment, even the script is available, it won't work. So you commented it. Good. So now, okay, good. Cut. Give me a second. So delete it. On cell edit, okay, get it one more time because you need to get this function. Okay, this on change function. Okay, on cell edit function you should get it on cell edit. Okay, so they ask to write a script here. When I want to write a script, when the active field changes, same like on change, but this one works on form level list view. Okay, so when active field is getting changed, give a simple message alert of okay active value field value is changed. That's it. Okay. Now focus remaining and all you don't even care. Just ignore it. Okay. Only one simple message we are giving it. Our intention is to identify or point out when it is running it. Okay. So save it. Right. Now on SellEdit, carefully see on SellEdit. You go to the form. Okay. And refresh the form. And try to change the value. Is that script running? No. Okay. Go to the list. Change the value of active. Okay. Not other fields. Okay. Active only. Change this. Is the script running? Is the script?
Yes.
Yes.
The alert message is
Yes.
coming or not? Whatever we kept it. So
Yes.
now again you change it. Working? So on SellEdit, it works first on list view only, not form view. Okay. And it is similar like on change in the form, on change of a field, on SellEdit of a list. Got it, my everyone? The fourth one is clear? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
yeah, give me a second. I want to show. Sir, why they named it as cell? Why they didn't say on field edit? They can give on field edit, no? On change they said, okay. Maybe this is meant for form level, but when they are doing it for list view, they can say on field edit, right? Why they said on cell edit? Okay, cell means a simple block, simple box in the form. This is a cell. Okay, this is a cell, right? This is a cell. I- When you select one box and then start writing, that is cell. That is called as cell. Okay, so when we open the form, this is itself is a Excel format, correct? Did I said it is an Excel kind of format when we were discussing about database and tables? Yes, yes.
Yes.
So we assume that it's a cell and you are changing the cell value. So that may be the reason they given the name as cell edit. You are editing a cell value on cell edit. Remember like this, okay? This is the reason or not reason?
Where I
Sorry, ma.
on SellEdit, here we are doing the
List view only, ma.
list.
Yes,
Yes.
correct. Okay. So on SellEdit works on list view. Okay. So change the value in list view. Okay, change the value of a field. Change the value of a field. Okay. When I say field, it's cell. Okay, in the list view. So what is client script? Client script runs on the client side. What are the types of client scripts? There are four types of client script. On change, on load, on submit, on cell edit. What is on change client script? When a field value is getting changed, that time if you want to execute some script, that is on change client script. What is on load client script? When the form is getting loaded, launching for first time, then if you want to run a script, that is on load client script. On submit client script. When you are submitting a form, when you are saving the record, when you are updating the record, that time if you want to run a script, that is on submit client script. On cell edit client script. So when you are changing a field value in a list view, if you want to run some script, that is on SellEdit client script. Clear everyone? Yes?
Yes.
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 Yes. Yes.
First time learners clear ma? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Any no here?
Yes.
Yes.